Hey, this is Ch10CaseStudyCalculateRangeofPrices. I will be demonstrating the case study found in Chapter 10, Calculate Range of Prices for a Product, on page 244. The picture from the Chicago Botanical Gardens from last summer. Okay, so I'm going to need to go and make a pivot table. This is my data. I've already turned this into a table, and as you can see on the Table Tools Design tab, it has the name of sales. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert, Pivot Table, and I'm going to go ahead and check the Add this table to the data model. Click OK. And I'm going to want to use a product, and then I want unit of price, but I want it in values twice because I want to have the minimum and the maximum in order to create a range. So I'm going to select the first one. First, the unit price, go to Value Field Settings, change it to Max, click OK. And I'm going to change the other one to minimum. Click OK. So now you can see I have a maximum and a minimum of the unit prices. If I was just to simply add another field and calculate the difference between those two fields, it will simply come up to 0 because of how the pivot tables would view that calculation. It would always come up to 0. So in order to go around that, I'm going to go over here to Power Pivot. I'm going to go to Calculated Fields, New Calculated Field, and I'm going to change my calculated field name to Range, and I'm going to use the same description. So in the formula, I'm going to start typing in the table name, which is Sales, and I want to have the max of unit price, so I'm going to select that, hit Tab. I'm going to have the minus sign. I'm going to start doing the same thing again, typing in the table name of sales. And you can see down here that here's the minimum of unit price. So I'm going to select that, hit Tab one more time. And that is my formula. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And you can see that it has now added that calculated field to my pivot table. So I have the name of range, and it has calculated properly the difference between the minimum and the maximums. So everything is in correct, doing its correct math. And that is how you do that. So this is the resources I've used, my textbook, and the source for my sample files for this demonstration. Thank you.